And then eventually I landed an interview and I didn't get the job. And I was very disappointed because I practiced and I'd taken all this advice that had been given to me and I didn't succeed.
Right.
And then I was like, well, maybe I can go ask that interviewer for some feedback. So I went back to the interviewer and I said, look, I know I respect your decision. You've given the job to someone else, but can you give me some tips and tricks on where I could improve? Like, what did I do wrong or how could I be stronger? And they did. They helped me. They gave me feedback. You spoke too long on this answer. You didn't answer this question really clearly. All of these things. And I was taking lots of notes. And I just kept practicing. And then probably 5 weeks after that particular job that I didn't get, I got another opportunity. And then I got the job. And the job increased my income by $50,000. And I was absolutely shocked because
wow.
I didn't even think I'd get the 20.
Right.
Right? I thought they maybe will give me 10. They might give me 15. But that's the most that they're going to give me. But the thing is that with the help of all those recruiters and all the practice that I had done, when I was answering the question, I was able to give them real concrete examples of where I'd succeeded in the past. And people took a chance on me and gave me that opportunity. And after that, I went from strength to strength, because I think when you've gone through that very difficult time and you've done a few steps to come out of it, I mean, you cry your way through it first, and then you've got to get into action. What, I can't stay under I call it doona diving. You doona dive, you dive under the doona on the bed and you just don't want to come out.
Yeah.
But I'm like, okay, you've doona dive now, but now you've got to get in action. You've got to do something, because if you don't do something, you and this baby aren't going to have a good life. And it was difficult, and I did fail. I didn't get the very first job I went for. I was rejected. My resume was rejected many times. But I think the message is just keep going. If you want to succeed, any of us, or we want to leave our traumas or our challenges behind, we have to find a way.